Assalamu alaikum. My name is Akib Hussain and I am a student of Comsat University WA campus. My registration number is F20BCS093, section B2. My video assignment topic is Educational Services of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan for the Muslims of Subcontinent. First of all, I will discuss the biography of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. His real name was Syed Ahmad Taqvi. His father name was Sayyid Muhammad Muttaqi and his mother name was Azizun Nisa. He was born in 17 October 1817 in Delhi. His maternal grandfather was Khwaja Fariduddin. Khwaja Fariduddin had twice served as a prime minister of Mughal emperor and held trustworthy position under the East India Company. After discussing the biography, now I will turn on a point. Education, that how and when he got his primary education. He got his primary education from his maternal grandfather, which includes study of the Holy Quran and Arabic language. Later, he also acquired excellence in the history, mathematics, and medicine. He had also been introduced to some of the India's most able writers and had developed a love for the literature. There are there came his employment, that how he got a job and at what place. He had joined East India Company as a record keeper in 1840 and later he reached to the position of the chief assessment officer. During his employment at Bijnor, he saved the lives of the British lady and the children at the risk of his life. After discussing the primary point of the topic, here I will describe the journey of the Sir Syed Ahmad Khan to the England. In 1868, he went England and visited educational institution. The University of Cambridge impressed him the most. This visit provided him an opportunity to think over and give a final shape to his plan to establish institutions in India. After a journey, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was awarded such a noble honors. He had worked as a member of Governor General Legislative Council during the time of 1878 and 1883. He was appointed as the member of Public Service Commission in 1887. The government of that time awarded him the title of Sir. He was made a Knight Commander of Star of India. Now, the great contribution and services of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan is Aligarh movement. The Aligarh movement was founded by the Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, the great Muslim educationist of the 19th century. The services which Sir Syed Ahmad Khan rendered for the Muslims are known as the Aligarh movement in the history of the Muslims of the India. Was aimed Aligarh movement was aimed at apprising the British that Muslims are not the only responsible for the war and therefore undue wrath should not be inflicted to them. To persuade the Muslims to get modern educations and exhibit moderate outlook in the every sphere of the life. As I above discussed the Aligarh movement, now the point turn on the causes of Aligarh. After the War of Independence of 1857, the British did not trust on the Muslims. According to him, British thought that Muslims were the only cause of the War of Independence. As a result, they adopted the policy of the oppression and repression towards the Muslims. Suffering of the Muslims doubled when the Muslims refused to send their children to the missionary European and government schools because they hated the English language. The British government excluded the Muslims from the reasonable government jobs. In the office of the Calcutta, a Muslim could hope only for any post above the rank of porter, like messenger or filler of the ink porter. Now I will discuss some educational services of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Farsi Madrasa Muradabad, Victoria School Ghazipur, establishment of the Scientific Society, Muhammadan Anglo-Orient College Aligarh, Muhammadan Educational Conference, and Aligarh Muslim University. All these institutions play a great role in the education system of the Muslims of subcontinent. The famous writing of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan are there Asar Sanadid, Risala Asbab Bagawat Hind, Indian Muslims, and the essay on the life of the Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Now I will come on the end point of the topic, or can say that concluding sentences or conclusion. Besides his prominent role in the education uplift of the Muslim, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan's writing played an important role in popularizing the ideals for which Aligarh stood. He also succeeded in enlisting the services of a number of the distinguished English professors to stood Aligarh College into a first-rate institute. Syed Ahmad Khan Aligarh movement played a significant role in bringing about an intellectual revolution among the Indian Muslims. Thus, he succeeded in achieving his objective, which were educational progress and social reforms. His efforts earned Sir Syed the title Prophet of the Education. Education is the actual base of Pakistan. This is the famous quotation of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Call me by whatever names you like. I will not ask to you for my salvation, but please take pity of your children. Do something for them, lest you should have to return. This was the my video assignment topic or video assignment. So thank you for watching.